Hi guys, I've finished the jig, the Pulsator. All siliconed in now. I still haven't got a spring on this. I've just set the top bits on, and I've got two backup springs so I could undo these if I need to one day when I'm out and about. I can just transfer a spring from here and put under here, and then this thing will be spring loaded, and I always got a spare. So, and as I said on the last video, I changed this bottom piece, and the reason why, because it's got a full rubber seal on the inside and on the outside, and both screw in and lock together, and I've put a release valve for draining at the end, because obviously the siphon at the top keeps blocking off, and it traps water inside it. So I've just basically just put an extra drain tap on it. And this is basically just a hopper out of pieces of pipe, or this section down in here, because that was a round straight up hole. I actually put like the pipe grip, cement, the PVC glue, whatever you want to call it, the blue stuff down inside it, and set it on fire until it heated up, and then sort of got the screwdriver in there and sort of just worked this piece down. So because before it was coming straight up on this side, and this side here wasn't pulsating that well, so by flaring that, it's made a bit more of it come up this way, like over to this side. And also you can see down in there, I've drilled a hole, and that hole is to release any of your real fine grits and gravels that goes through that mesh just there. So whatever's too small and it fits through that, it won't sit down in here clogging this up, because the force will keep pushing it up. But obviously it's not going to go nowhere, but besides it gets stuck in here. So yeah, so I've just drilled a hole down there, and it will just drain out. So anyway guys, I'll give you a quick demo on how I put this thing together, and we'll get it up and running, see how long it takes from being fully pulled apart. Alright, ready, set, go. Can either just feed it straight in like that, or I've added this. It's basically just a bit of a slide scoop thing you can just bucket onto. Should like my face about that direction there. Okay. Pump. Pretty sure it's a 1100 gallons per hour, 12 volt pump from a marine shop. Anti-crush hose. Okay, on, off. we're pretty much ready to run. Let's fire it up. I'll take notice of this from being empty and we'll see how it reacts without the spring. Okay, let's see how we go with it. Alright, we have water. This thing's starting to move. Oh, sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. Oh, here it goes. Yeah, it is, yeah. Sometimes you just will give it that little bit of help. Right. We're pulsating. That didn't take me long to set up, did it? Okay, I'll stick it on a tripod and I'll feed a bit of gravel in. Slowly feeding itself in, all by itself. Haven't got much to go, it's nearly through. The water's coming out the hole there. Nearly empty. He's through.